Hi guys, today I'm bringing you this Kingstar earbud, very nice. We're gonna just test it now. Let's see. First one we're giving, this is a FreeBies. It's built in airport foams, very nice. Design is good, small there, and there's the earbuds there. Just put this there, put this there. Quick one, let me see, let me have a look what else we have got in the box. So quick one, we've got 50 earbuds there, and if I open the box, what we have got, we've got that one, we've got the user manual, and this is a FreeBies. We're giving it for free. Every day we launch about 10 to 20 products on our website, where you can get a www.stronics.co.uk. You look for our FreeBies page, you find some FreeBies available for you to try here. The product. So we got that. Now let me try to put it on the just to set it up. So I'll open the box. There you go. Just open it. Try to put it in there, see if he this way and that way, and we close. There's the light, blue light there, meaning it's on. Now just open it. Let's just try it on the phone now. Just open that. To set it up is quite easy, simple. All you need to do is just get your phone and then go through settings here. We go Bluetooth. Let's look for it. It's already connected. There are KO25. That's a earbud there. So now let's just try it, see if it's gonna play. Or else, if like for example, if you wanna connect it first, all you do, I'll just forget this. Disconnect. There we look. It's gonna search. Turn off that. Back on. Here we go. It's there, and it's already searched there. So I'll just click connect. There we connect, and then I'll go on. Let me try the sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it nice, but I'll just go here, and any song that comes out, I'll just play it on. And maybe go here. And this is the hit. Let me try this. There we go. And just put volume full. And let's see how it goes. Start that to finish, then I'll play the song. Click or another advert. I don't want to do this. So there we go here. That, so see. So there's the sound. It's pretty nice, easy. I'm gonna just try the what says this? Right, left. Just try left to my left. Yeah. Not bad. The sound is really nice and clear. Now we're gonna do the packaging. That's the FreeBies packaging. Sealed and nice. Stronics. Now there's the label. Just pack it in the envelope, and we're gonna send it to a customer. Thank you for watching, guys. If you need one, just put a FreeBies invoice, which is 0. Don't need to pay anything. Just put it in the box. So there we go. We sealed it, and then we just peel it off there. We're gonna zip that. Unfortunately, that we shipped it within 3 days, 48.